In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a home button in Google Chrome on your PC for 2024. Adding a home button can be a real time saver, allowing you to quickly return to your favorite or most used web page. Let's walk through the steps to add this handy feature to your browser. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it running, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see what's often referred to as the three-dot menu, or simply a vertical ellipsis. This is your gateway to accessing a wide variety of options and settings in Chrome. Click on these three dots to open the menu, and then select Settings from the drop-down options. The Settings page is where you can customize your browsing experience, from managing privacy preferences to altering the browser's appearance. Now, on the left sidebar, you'll find several categories. Click on Appearance. This is where we'll find the option to enable our home button. It's worth taking a moment here to appreciate how many different elements of your browser's look can be adjusted in this section. Next, look for the option labeled Show Home Button. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. By default, this switch may be turned off, which is why you're probably not seeing a home button in your browser right now. So, go ahead and toggle the switch on. This simple action will activate the button. Once you've flipped that switch, you should notice a new icon appearing to the left of your address bar. This icon looks like a small house and represents your newly activated home button. While the button is now visible and functional, you can take it a step further by customizing what page it directs you to. Right below the toggle for the home button, you'll see options that let you decide what web page or content the button will open. You have two choices here: the default new tab page or a custom website of your choosing. If you want the button to lead you to a specific web page whenever you click it, select the option for a custom website and enter the desired URL, such as google.com or any site you frequently visit. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've added a home button to Google Chrome on your PC, making it easier than ever to navigate back to your desired starting point on the web. This small, yet efficient addition can streamline your browsing experience significantly. So, feel free to practice these steps and enjoy the time saved with each click.